like you. But Santa knocked on the door, and what had happened is that Christmas owl had scared, who's the lead reindeer? Who's the one that goes out in front? Rudolph. He scared Rudolph, because Rudolph had never seen a Christmas owl. And Rudolph, when he was up on the roof, remember, because earlier we heard him, he got caught around the chimney. And now he needed help, because he couldn't get himself untied, because he was afraid.
He got caught in my antenna, my TV antenna.
Yeah,
I put
we
up
were
there,
watching,
his legs got caught up there. And Santa couldn't get it off the roof. And I didn't want to wake Kenny, so he went to bed. And I'm not even sure you were awake, because I think you heard the noise, or asleep. I think you heard the noise.
I heard it, but I was afraid to come out. Yeah, but I was afraid to come out.
And that was good. But how do you think we got his reindeer off the roof? Guess. Tell him, Kenny.
Well, I wanted to come out, but at first you said no, you stay in your room, you need to go to bed. So Grandpa climbed up on the roof with a ladder, because he's a firefighter, remember? So he's good on a ladder, so he had a firefighter ladder, and he climbed up that ladder really high, and there was snow up there. Well, Santa's pretty fat, remember? Santa's kind of a fat guy. And he couldn't climb on the roof real well, because he kept slipping, because he didn't have good balance, and he had those big boots on. So Grandpa needed help. He needed one more big boy to help him. And I was the only boy in the family. So and Santa said, how are we going to do it? I need one more helping hand to get Rudolph untangled. So Grandpa came down and woke me up, and he said, Ken, I need your help. So what? Then you helped me up the ladder, because I was about Josh's age. I was only about 5 or 6.
Ladder. Now, keep in mind, we were trying to get the.
I was at 6.
Well, I was about 5 or 6, so around the same age as you.
So Kenny and I together went up there, and I took some cutters, and I cut the TV antenna wires that they were caught up in, and the reindeer were making a lot of weird noises.
Yeah, they were scared.
They were scared, and because they, we weren't supposed to put the antenna up there anyway, probably. But so I cut the antenna, and your dad went over and took Rudolph by the, these things that go around their neck. He took him and turned him, and so the rest would follow him, and Santa jumped in the back, and they went skidding right off.
Just like an airplane.
Skidding right off. It scared me because they went so fast, and because I was afraid they were going to get hurt. And then your dad slipped.
Yeah. Well, I slipped off of the roof, and it was a really high roof. But I'll tell you how fast Santa is with that sleigh and the reindeer. I was falling off of the roof. And Grandpa was up on the roof, so he couldn't help me. I was falling down. Santa was way over here going to the next house. He could tell. And he went, shoo, and he came under and picked me right up in his sleigh.
Just caught him right in the back.
I got to ride in the back of Santa's sleigh.
Oh, man. And
you know what? He didn't let me look at him. He still had his back to me because he didn't want me to see him. Because that was still a rule with big boys that we can't see him. So, and then he set me down on the ground, and Grandpa came and grabbed me, tucked me in the bed, and I fell asleep, and when I got up in the morning, there was all those toys.
Wow, this is... Josh, what day is today?
Yeah, that's Christmas.
Yeah, how old are you?
Let's wait until we get the fire going, so we got all the...
5. Hi, Laura.
Hello.
Merry Christmas. What did you get? Show me the one you brought into bed this morning. What did you bring into bed this morning with you? What's her name? Ooh, neat. Where's she from? You'll have to read the book, huh? I noticed there's a book over there, huh?
Yeah. Dad,
Good morning, Sarah.
I'm Dad,
Sarah.
Hi.
Santa come last night?
Hey, Dad. I got this nice scarf.
All right.
Can you stop for a minute? I need
Yeah, wait
to
a
tell
minute,
you
Josh.
something.
Hang on. Good morning, Shell.
Okay.
You don't mind me taking pictures bright and early, do you? You look great. Haley, Santa come?
Yes, Laura.
Bring anything cool?
I got slippers and a new electric toothbrush.
All right.
And this cute thing, and then things I didn't open yet.
Santa brought a lot of electric toothbrushes this year.
I didn't get one.
Good morning. Come on. Let's see if Jerry looks good. Wow. Jerry, you look really good in the mornings.
Thanks. You jammies.
Let me see him. Very nice. Turn around, let me see the back. Oh, yeah.
Mindy said all of us at the same time, Colin.
I'll just know what he has.
These are all from Mindy?
Alright, is this the one we're supposed to open?
Mindy, I'll just have mine coming.
Not that one.
Not this one, this one?
I think it's
Sister Haley. You spelled my name wrong though. Put A-Y-L-E-Y.
oh, this man. There's a girl called Kaylee with a Y.
Thank you, Mindy.
You're welcome. It kind of has a feeling like the other book.
Hey Josh, look it! I got the same one!
Oh, yeah.
Colin's a Spy Kid too.
That means we're both Spy Kids.
Alright, I'm a Spy Kid!
Oh, look at all the girls have the same shirt.
I got the same one too.
Oh, that's
Let me double check.
And you're Spy Kid, Chris.
It's very
Yeah.
Chris, you're a Spy Kid. All right.
Thank you.
Those are cute, Mindy.
I have one too, so I can wear them later and take a picture.
Hey, Josh,
Yeah.
open your next present.
Yeah.
Boy.
Mindy, could you not find one that fit Timon and Colin?
I did. They emailed me this, but I don't know where it's at.
Oh, okay.
There's only one more.
Hey, does Josh open another one? Yeah. Hey, Josh.
Merry
open
Christmas,
another
Mom and Dad.
I was walking around.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What? What? Oh, is it? Wait a minute, I gotta zoom in. 7 of them. 7.
That trash pickup bury the fire. We need to be closing that window thing.
Josh, let me see your CD. What'd you get?
Or knocking it off.
Either one will do.
That place problem,
Is
too.
everybody ready to open? Should we keep
It's going up now, Jer.
Okay, go ahead, Laura. Josh,
Go now.
who's that from?
Santa did it, coming down there.
Josh, Santa.
Maybe he's stuck. Somebody look.
Oh, who's this from?
That's very cute.
Oh, that is cute. That's going better now, Jer.
Yeah.
What is this boy
Well, that's a good laugh.
Should I open mine now?
Wait,
Laura
Mom,
has.
did
Oh, yes, I'm sorry.
Mom, did you say that's funny too?
Did you?
Oh, they never got brought down, Mom.
Oh, that's cute.
Lori.
Oh, I was just looking on the bottom. Oh, thanks, Mindy.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, that's
Laura,
cute.
I'm gonna
That is
How
very
about I
cute,
change
Laura.
my socks
This coffee,
instead?
Laurie.
Laura, who's it from?
Sarah.
Good coffee,
Did you
Jerry.
say thanks?
That man.
It's okay. I'll open it later and ask the friend.
You're gonna love it.
Wow.
Is it a fit?
SpongeBob pillow.
Give that to Sarah.
Thanks, Sarah. That's nice.
Nice, Sarah. Let's see, Laura.
Hold on.
Would be easier.
Cute. He's pretty cuddly, isn't he?
Thank you, Uncle Jerry.
Laura, Laura,
Bunch of-
Laura, we're gonna have to leave it here because we don't have enough room in the car, though.
Oh, we'll take it home.
Oh, okay. On the roof.
Should I go?
Laura,
Go. Go for it.
ready, go.
I think it was already.
Not in really good spot.
Wait, stop. Okay.
Give it to Colin. He's
I'm
gonna do it.
not in a good spot. I'm kind of next to everybody. That's getting going, isn't it, Jer?
Book, Sarah?
That's Sarah.
From who?
Do you even need that thing, Jerry?
Yeah.
From Santa.
It's got
All
some
right.
It does have a
What are they?
Oh, they're those Julie of the Wolves.
Nice.
Oh.
I brought
Oh.
Good.
You guys been practicing?
Laura?
Oh.
Now I'll go. This is from Colin and Timon.
Timon,
Feels comfy.
from the movie last night we were watching, you got any just little tidbit, little sound bites?
Timon, you gotta Yay!
Coming out.
Some big ones.
The box is a size 13.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Now who's this from? Let me
Yeah.
see. Who's this
Zip
from?
one.
That is great.
Jenny, did you say pretty?
He left us at now.
Oh, it is pretty though, Chris.
At your girlfriend's house? Yeah, do you find that you
You
don't
never
get your
get
clothes
it
back
back.
when you leave them at your girlfriend's house?
I haven't found that out yet.
Oh, just
Never
wait.
coming back.
Just you wait. You find your favorite pair of soccer shorts will disappear. Your favorite sweatshirts return 2.5 years later.
Thank you, Uncle Ken.
You're welcome, Chris.
Extra luck.
And then she fixes things for you and neglects to give them back. She'll just keep them in there.
Yeah, that's
Oh, that's good, Cher.
There you go.
So we can both.
Colin, did you say soccer shorts?
Yeah,
Is that
soccer
another
fan.
Cher?
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I
You're
am a
him?
soccer fan.
Oh, okay.
Timon is, and then Colin. Timon, your turn. Mindy's older than
Meh,
Colin.
meh.
What? That's a cushion?
Yeah.
Mine's on the
From this one, and Jenny, that's what's happening,
Yeah.
small bud.
The gray one. Yeah.
Oh, you got it.
What is it?
After the fact, I thought you had one, otherwise you would have gotten this one.
I don't have one.
That'll be college graduation.
Okay.
One of those.
I need it.
Yeah.
That's something to shoot for.
Day planner. Jenny gets him a day planner.
Of course it'll be
And
fun. It's
they
super
love
warm
them.
right now.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll get up and give hugs.
Okay.
Air hug.
Me too.
Air hug.
Right, it's snowing hard.
It is.
Oh my. Chris, clean up, would you?
What is it?
You gotta read it. What does
A
it
what?
say?
Says, put a candle in me and I'll light your way. Even though outside it's frozen, I'll still come out to play. You think that this is the end, but my dear, it's not. You'll find clue number 2 next to the coffee pot. Good job, my love. You've made it this far. Don't turn back now, but don't stay where you are. To find your next clue, you will need a sweater. Head out the front door to see your next letter. Do not fret. Your hunt is soon closing. It will end in a bit. Now proceed to the bottom and then close your eyes. Don't open till I say or you'll spoil the surprise.
Yay! All right, don't look. Oh, Chris, hang on, you caught up.
My feet are cold.
No, you don't want to touch my feet. Get out there.
No.
Get out there. Watch out.
Hey, let's don't overdo it. Come on.
Did she get through?
Yeah.
Leave him alone, Jen.
Hey! Congratulations! What'd you say,
What'd she
Mindy?
say?
Think about it.
What's
Did
new?
she say?
I said yes.
Oh.
Can I see? Oh,
Very
nice.
Smile away.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
She's beaming from ear to ear.
I see.
Oh, wow. That is beautiful.
Have a real hug?
Broke my back, kid.